MCA Makondele e kaunti ma Kisumu migosi Joakim Okech okwede malich mokalo weche go mag Njore mabendo sebedo ka jimbore malich miwuoro e kaunti nendo ma Kisumu ka koro ne okwayo piny owacho mondo mi okaw mager mar chik ne kumo jogo eko kata jonjore mabende ne omonjo kanyo Senator Godfrey Osotsi bende hoyango bende ne okwayo kanyo lwasi makare ne josiasa duto ma pacho kaendi ka bende wacho mondo mi ginyak kwe kinde duto mabende gitwalo chenro gi mag timo siasa e pacho kaendi.
The government, there is a place where the line is drawn. Of course, we can use these young people as security and for whatever cause that we use them for. But there is a law that we have in Kenya. Kenya is not a lawless country. Therefore, those people who attacked Osotsi, the young people who attacked Osotsi, all of them, this one we say without fear of favor, all of them, let the government stop playing gimmicks. All of them. Because we have to show that we are a country of laws. We are a country that condone goonism. And therefore, the leadership of the country should lead by example by stopping this. Before calling on politicians, they should stop with, but also to our other leaders. We are here to campaign. We are here to talk to our people so that they vote for us. We don't force them. And therefore, let Kisumu be a peace-loving county. Let everyone speak. And I also want to talk of the rally that is coming here. I don't find it wrong for the Linda Wananchi to do their rally. If you are a Linda ground person like Honorable Swagga, keep off their rally. If you are a Linda Wananchi person, go and do your thing, do it peacefully, and go your way. I don't see any reason why we should fight each other. When my party leader, Dr. Buru, come, I will attend his rally. When the Linda Wananchi Brigade come, I will keep off. So I don't see why people have to fight. I don't see why people have to hire goons to go and cause mayhem and cause injury to people. Let us allow whichever political party wants to thrive in whichever area, let us them allow to do their rallies. Otherwise, that is my position. And I want to tell whoever wants to do their rally in Kondele, you are free to do it. When we do ours, we also expect you to leave us do our rallies in peace. We have seen that there's a lot of disrespect that has been taking place. It's like we want to be treated as a lesser partner in these coalition talks. ODM is an equal partner. So we want to tell members of UDA, of course we respect you, this is your government, but forming the next government, we are going to play a role. Hii tulikuja kwa dirisha, and that is why we have to accept our position as we speak now. But let us remind you that coming the next general election, we are going to protect our front. We are going to work better so that we have numbers. But when we sit on that table, we sit on that table as equal.